Today I'm sharing a healthy Mexican corn salad with a tangy yogurt dressing. It's packed with fresh flavors and everyone's going to love it.
Hi, I'm Cindy Newland with Intentionally Eat. I've personally lost over 100 pounds and I've lowered my blood pressure and cholesterol with a plant-based diet. And I now teach other women over 40 how to do the same. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around.
So we are starting with corn for our Mexican corn salad. I like to use a fire roasted corn. It just adds that smokiness to the salad. Now we're going to start with the tangy dressing. Don't worry about writing any of this down because I'm going to write the recipe in the description below for you. But we're starting with a plant-based yogurt. You can use your favorite. I have a video on how to make your own yogurt in the Instant Pot. It's super easy to do. To that, we're adding some lime juice or lemon juice, whichever you have on hand. It's going to add that nice citrus punch to the salad. We're adding in a little bit of taco seasoning. Use your favorite. My favorite is my own. It's a copycat taco seasoning, and I'll put the link to it in the description below as well. That way you don't have any of the anti-caking ingredients or any chemicals that you don't want. And then we're going to add in a little nutritional yeast. Make sure everything's well blended. If you would like a simple faith-based guide to eating more whole plant foods, be sure to download my free Genesis 129 starter guide. I'll put the link in the description below. You're just going to add a little bit of water to thin the dressing to your desired thickness, creaminess, or thinness that you want. And this is a great little dressing that you might even want to use on your regular lettuce salad. So feel free to thin it as much as you want. Now I'm adding in some jalapeno. I don't want a lot of heat in this salad, but if you do, add the entire jalapeno. I'm going to remove the membrane and the seeds and just chop the pepper itself. Dice it nice and fine because I don't want large chunks in the salad. And then we are also adding in some green onion and some cilantro. You could add in some of your favorite ingredients. I went ahead and added in some edamame later just to boost the protein content. You could add tomatoes, you could add a bell pepper, a poblano pepper. Think about what you might want to add to your Mexican corn salad and make it your own plant-based meal. Leave in the comments what you are going to add. I'd love to hear it. And now we're just going to mix in that tangy yogurt dressing. Make sure that all of the corn is well coated so that every bite you get has that tangy dairy-free dressing. And this is a great weight loss meal. It's packed with fiber. It's a perfect side dish to take to a cookout or a barbecue. Everyone's going to love it and they're going to ask for the recipe. And I think you are just going to love this one.
So if you are fighting for your health, you know how important your diet is, and I really encourage you to start looking into more plant-based foods. I have a free Genesis 129 starter guide if that interests you in finding out how God truly wanted us to eat from the beginning. The link is in the description below. Feel free to grab it. It's free.